This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the system. Plug the official Nintendo Switch AC adapter into the dock's USB-C power port, then into the wall. Next, route an HDMI cable from the dock to the TV and remember the TV's input number. Place the dock on a flat surface with airflow. Make sure vents aren't blocked, because heat affects performance and charging. Once done, leave the Joy-Con attached or prepare wireless controllers. Both work. These steps get power and video pathways ready, so the console can output to the TV. With power and HDMI connected, gently slide the Switch into the dock until it seats and the console screen goes dark. That indicates it's outputting to the TV. Make sure the TV is set to the correct HDMI input and give the devices a few seconds to handshake. Video and audio need time to negotiate resolution. Next, use the Switch's system settings to set TV resolution and HDR preferences, and to pair or reassign controllers. These choices control visual fidelity and how controllers connect when docked. Finally, confirm the TV displays the home screen and that sound is correct. Test controller input and ensure Joy-Con or Pro controller charges. If you use external audio, set the TV or receiver to the right audio format for best results. Make sure the dock has room to ventilate while playing. If something goes wrong, no signal, black screen, or no audio, reseat the HDMI and power cables, try a different HDMI port on the TV, and reboot the Switch while docked. These quick checks resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.